In this slide, we are going to talk about two candlesticks pattern, this morning star and evening star. So you don't have to learn the names of the patterns. You just need to understand the psychology behind these patterns. So what is morning star? So if you read the description, morning star is a bullish reversal pattern. The morning star is a bullish candlesticks pattern which evolves over a 3-day period. So it is a downtrend reversal pattern. The morning star appears at the bottom of a downtrend. So let's say the price is going down, and whenever the price is going down, you have red candlesticks, right? The price is going down with the red candlesticks. After that, you have a doji, right? You have a doji. What does that indicate? It indicates indecision in the market. Indecision in the market. You don't know whether the buyers or sellers have the control. Nobody has the control. We don't know who has the control. So there is an indecision in the market. So the next thing which happened here is we had a green candle, which indicates that it broke the high here, and it indicates that the buyers are stepping in and the buyers is having control. So it means that a morning star is a bullish reversal pattern. So it doesn't mean that if you saw a bullish or if you saw a morning star, doesn't mean that the price will reverse from that area. There is only chances. It is not certain that the price will bounce back from that area. So you need to understand that as well. So if you look at here, one second, if you look at here, this is this area. If you look at here, we have the morning star. It's a 3 candlesticks pattern formation. You can see that we have a red candlesticks. After that, we have an indecision candle. Then we have a green candle. So in the textbook setup, it is saying that there is a higher chance that the price can reverse from that area and can go further up from that area. So it's if you're seeing this pattern at a certain level, there is a higher chance that the price can go up from that level or go down from that level. So that's it. This is a morning star pattern. It indicates that the price it is a reversal pattern because the price is coming down, and after that it reversed after creating first we have a red candle, then we have an indecision candle which is a doji, then we have a green candle. So it is just bouncing back, right? Just like when you throw a ball towards a wall, it is just bouncing back from that level. So it can bounce back from a resistance or support as well. So that's morning star. What is evening star? Evening star is just the opposite of morning star. So if you see evening star, if you read the description, you can see that it is a bearish reversal pattern. The evening star is a bearish candlesticks pattern which evolves over a 3-day period. So it is an uptrend reversal pattern. The morning star appears at the top of an uptrend. So whenever the price is going up and you saw a bearish, evening star, there is a higher chance that the price can go down from that level. There is a higher chance that the price can go down from that level. Also, you can see that the price is creating, whenever the price need to go up, it always create green candlesticks patterns or green candlestick. So after that, you can see that there is doji at the top, and after that we have a red candlesticks, which indicates that there is seller overpowering that level. You can say sorry, you can see that you have a doji, which means that there is indecision. After that, the doji is broken and the sellers are in control. So that's it. So you need to understand this pattern, understand the psychology of this pattern. Like I always say, you need to combine your knowledge. You don't take trades randomly or blindly based on these patterns as well. So let's move forward.